Electricity is a form of energy resulting from existence of charged particles, such as electrons or photons, either statically as an accumulation of charge or dynamically as a current. So one more time, energy that is connected with presence of the charged particles. So electricity is highly connected with the definition of the charges. Yes, I would want you to one more time write it for the next assignment. But generally, why do we have charged particles at all? What's about this? In order to know it, we need to get the idea how the atoms are created. Atoms are created from the electrons that are generally around and protons that are inside the nucleus. Protons are far more massive but are positive. Yes? Electrons are around, are far less massive, far lighter, and are negative. In order to have a normal atom, normal molecule, we need to have equal amounts of protons and electrons. If we have more electrons than the protons, the net charge, so all of the charges combined, would be negative. Yes? If you would add all of this, is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, sorry, 11, minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so we have charge minus 5, yes? For example. If you would reduce the amounts of the charges, yes, of the electrons, it would become positively charged. So this is critical part. We have positively charged or negatively charged particles depending on the relative amount of protons and electrons. Yes? And you also know that pluses and minuses want to be as close to each other as possible. And when we have them in some distance, they would travel on their own to themselves. When we have the same charges, they would repel. Yes, minus from minus, plus from plus. They would want to be as distant from each other as possible. And we can use it in many ways. But these are the critical concepts of the electricity. I will ask you more concrete questions next time, so we'll also delve into more detail next time, but let's go step by step.